Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Jamaica's Fun in the Sun Gospel Festival returned to Jamaica on Saturday. The event was held at the National Heroes Park and saw powerhouse performances from some of Jamaica's finest gospel artists. Patrons were treated to lively performances by the likes of up-and-coming acts DJ Zeal, Brother George, Ken Knight and Mark Johnson. The day wouldn't have been complete, however, without some of the more established performers, which included organizer Carleen Davis, as well as Kevin Downswell, Papa San, Minister Marion Hall, Prodigal Son, and Rondell Positive. Fun in the Sun 2018 was not just about fun and the music. The organizers of the event, in addition to providing outreach through the theme of Voice of Hope, put focus on ministry, with international gospel artist Pastor Donnie McClurkin being invited to bring a special message in the form of spoken word to the crowd.
Hallelujah. Jesus did not die for the gospel to be held hostage in the four walls of a church house.
Jamaica's Fun in the Sun 2018 saw the return of the festival to Kingston, having been staged in previous years in the city of Portmore and even in the country Haiti. This year, the festival celebrated their 16th year. International reggae artist Shaggy and British singer Sting's album 44876 returns to the Billboard Reggae Album top spot this week after selling an additional 896 copies, bringing the total of copies sold to 38,919. 44876 was released by A&M Records, Interscope Records and Cherry Tree Records and marks the first album on the reggae chart for Sting. The album is also Shaggy's first entry on the chart since his project Out of Many One Music, Sly and Robbie Presents Shaggy, reached number 3 in October of 2013. Shaggy and Sting are currently on their 44876 tour and are scheduled to perform in France tonight. Now, in this Vybz Kartel appeal update, the 3 judges hearing the Vybz Kartel appeal have been urged to set aside the convictions and life sentences. According to the Star Online article, attorney-at-law Bert Samuels, who is representing one of the convicts, Sean Campbell, asked the appeal court not to order a retrial. According to Mr. Samuels, the case is rife with multiple deficiencies, and he says these defects are incurable. Sean Storm, whose real name is Sean Campbell, was convicted of murder in 2014, along with dancehall artist Vybz Kartel, Kahira Jones and Andre St. John, for the killing of Clive Lizard Williams at a house in Havendale, St. Andrew in August 2011. They were all given life sentences, with Kartel, whose real name is Adisha Palmer, ordered to serve 35 years before being eligible for parole. And that's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.